In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Steam Wallet funds in a way that allows you to indirectly share your balance with friends. First things first, let's get started by opening up your Steam app. If you haven't logged in yet, locate the login button and click on it. Once that's up, you'll need to enter your account name and password. Just ensure that everything is typed in correctly to avoid any login issues. Hit Sign in to proceed after confirming your details. Now, it's important to note that Steam doesn't allow direct transfers of Steam Wallet funds between accounts. The funds are tied specifically to the account they are added to, meaning you cannot outright transfer money to other users. However, don't worry too much. There is still a great alternative way to share your balance. You can use your Steam Wallet funds to purchase games or other items as gifts and send them to friends. This way, you are making the most of your available balance while sharing the joy of gaming with others. With this in mind, let's head over to your Steam homepage. Find and click on the Steam Gift Cards option, which will direct you to an interface where you can send a digital Steam gift card. Choose the Send a Digital Steam Gift Card option to get started. When you're there, it's time to select the amount for your gift card. Pick an amount that fits your budget and that you think your friend would appreciate. Next, you'll need to identify the lucky recipient on your friends list. You can search for a friend by name or simply select one from your existing list. Once you've made your choice, click Continue. To make your gift more personal, you can input the recipient's name. Consider adding a personal note or message to accompany the gift card. This is a great opportunity to express why you're sending this gift, whether it's for a special occasion or just a random act of kindness. Don't forget to leave your signature, adding that personal touch before continuing. Once all this is done, you'll need to enter your payment information. Make sure to double-check everything to prevent any issues during the transaction process. After that, tick the box to agree with the terms and conditions to confirm the transaction legally. Finally, select Purchase, and your friend will need to accept the digital gift card on their end. It's a straightforward process that brings a lot of joy once complete. There you have it, a creative way to utilize your Steam Wallet balance to share your gaming experience with friends. Enjoy giving and happy gaming.